yung pride ko sa paggawa nitong pelikula ng The Breadwinner is, actually, yung nomination ko, hindi yun ang nagbigay ng pressure sa akin tonight. Ang nagbigay talaga ng pinakamabigat na pressure sa akin, yung kasama ko sa table, si Nadine at saka si Ate Di na pareho sila may trophy. Tapos, nagpipicturan kanina na nahihiya akong sumama. Sabi ko, ay shit, ako lang walang trophy sa table. Pero congratulations Nadine at Ate Di. So, maraming salamat, Pamas. This is actually my second Pamas trophy. My first Pamas trophy was given years back, but I was able to receive the trophy personally because I had a gig somewhere. So nanay ko yung pumunta dito. I was given the very first Dolphy Award. At gusto kong gamitin ang pagkakataon ko na pasalamatan kayo dahil ako po yung pinili yung parangalan ng kauna-unang Dolphy Award. At ito naman, Best Actor. Yung nomination lang talaga, sabi ko, Direk June, sabi ko, I'm just so proud. Sabi kay Ate Gitch, ang saya-saya ko. Proud na proud ako nominated ako. Kaya nandito ako, proud na proud talaga ako nominated ako. Tapos nanalo pa ako. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much, Pamas, for making me the very first blonde, fully made up, in black gown to receive the Best Actor Award. May this award inspire all the queer kids na makakakita dito sa social media kung saan man. May this recognition inspire you to embrace the endless possibilities that the world is offering you. As a queer kid, as a queer person, you're limitless and you can be the best makeup artist, you can be the best hairstylist, you can be the best fashion designer, you can be the best educator, you can be the best politician, you can be the best actress, and you can also be the best actor. Because as a queer person, your possibilities are limitless. So maraming salamat sa Pamas. Direk June, panalo ko ni Direk June kasi hiyang-hiya ako sa kanya. Sabi ko sa lahat ng artist na hinahawakan niya, laging nananalo. Ako lang yung pumalya doon sa Film Fest, pero Direk June, panalo ni Direk June ko, siya ang gumawa sa akin as an actor dito sa The Breadwinner is. Kaya maraming salamat Direk June Lana. Sa Star Cinema, maraming salamat kay Chris Gasman, kay Tita Cory Midanes, kay Sir Carlo, sa lahat ng bubo, sa lahat ng mga co-actors ko. Sila talaga ang support sa akin ng turo. Si Tita Manu lalo na nag-workshop sa akin, and I would like to share and thank for this award, Direk Wendy Ramas. Ikaw nagsimula. Maraming salamat. Pamas, maraming salamat po. Arjo, congratulations. Super